Hey, can I ask you something? Have you ever stayed quiet even when you wanted to speak English, just because you were afraid of sounding wrong? Yeah, I get it. That fear? You're not alone. Let's talk about it. Just you and me. First, speaking. You're scared someone will laugh if you make a mistake. You think, what if I forget the word? So you stay silent. But silence never teaches you English. You know what does? Talking. Even badly. Every single day. Talk to your mirror. Record yourself. Order coffee in English. Say just one sentence a day. It's not about being perfect. It's about being brave. Next, grammar. You freeze. You overthink. Do I say, I have went? Or I have gone? And then you say nothing. Stop trying to memorize all the rules. Instead, pick one tense, like the present simple, and use it for a week. Say, I eat. I go. I work. Keep it simple. Use it often. It will stick. Now, vocabulary. You learn new words, then forget them. Feels useless, right? But vocabulary isn't memory. It's use. Pick 3 words a day. Use them in a sentence. Say them in a voice note. Text them to a friend. When you use a word, you keep it. And finally, listening. Movies feel too fast. You understand nothing. You feel like giving up. But here's the thing. You're not supposed to understand everything right now. Watch short clips. Use subtitles. Repeat. Just catch 1 word, then 2. You'll grow. Slowly, but surely. Listen, you don't need perfect English. You need practice. You don't need to be fluent today. You need consistency. So, here's your challenge. Start today. Speak 1 sentence. Write 1 line. Learn 1 word. Listen to 1 minute. That's it. Your future fluent self is waiting. And if you felt even a little bit stronger after this message, then do one more thing for me. Subscribe. Because here, we don't just learn English. We conquer fear. Together.